This is the Viking vehicle from IDV Robotics. It's a multi-role vehicle, uncrewed. Features full sensor setup for autonomy, so we've got LiDAR and cameras. The vehicle itself is a 6x6, so it's got all-wheel drive, 4-wheel steer with fully independent suspension. The vehicle itself is onboard compute, so it's got autonomy system with features like follow me, so a soldier can walk out, the vehicle will follow them. The vehicle has a system called Atlas, so that allows it to run GNSS denied. So that's a patented system we have, so we can initialise the vehicle in a GNSS denied environment, so during active jamming. And same thing with the routing, so the vehicle can use aerial photography to detect road networks, so it can use those to follow to reach a target. It's a flatbed, so it can carry a variety of payloads. In this configuration we've got the cage for storage, but we could also run casualty evacuation, so with stretchers on each side. We've also run CBRN payloads, so chemical sniffing, as well as ISTAR. So we've had a large camera head on a mast, on a boom mast, as well as weapon stations. The vehicle's fitted with standard payload connectors, so payload can be loaded on. The vehicle automatically detects what system is fitted, and then the user gets that option in the base station control software. The vehicle can be controlled through TAC, so grid reference can be inputted, and the vehicle will also report things like detections from the ISTAR system and publish those onto the TAC network.
Keep going, fresh hands.
So for CASEVAC, you simplify the job, so you just need 2 people to load on. The bed is at waist height, so that makes it significantly easier. But once the CASEVAC casualty is loaded on, the vehicle can be programmed with a route and then go and return that casualty for assistance. There's also room for a medic and supplies on board. So the vehicle weighs 1,200 kilos with 700 kilo capacity. It's got fully independent suspension, so we can do things like 30 centimetre gap crossing, no problem, as well as hill climb. So up front we've got the sensor hoop, so you've got your GPS antennas, as well as your stereo camera, your teleop cameras that are low latency, and then your safety radio that's optional. And then at the rear we've got the driving cameras, again for your peripheral vision, as well as the mesh radio antennas. The LiDAR, the laser scanner. We can run the vehicle in blackout mode, so that turns the LiDAR off, so that means there's no emissions from things like your laser scanners, but even simple things like your brake lights are then turned off. We can also run comms denied, so 0 RF emission from the vehicle, and the vehicle will just do its mission until it completes that mission. Viking from IDV is a force multiplier and a life-saving asset.
Thanks for watching. For more from BFBS Forces News, like and subscribe to our channel.